Is the Croaie Nano Microneedle Patch really the breakthrough it claims to be, or is it just another flashy product riding the wave of the GLP-1 weight loss trend? Touted as a revolutionary patch that mimics the effects of semaglutide boosting insulin, suppressing appetite, reducing glucagon levels, and slowing gastric emptying, it certainly sounds like a game-changer. But when you look past the hype, cracks begin to show. First off, the so-called scientific certificates on the website are barely readable, blurry, and look like generic templates easily found online. Then there are the before and after transformation photos, which raise even more doubts. They look heavily edited and inconsistent, with lighting, angles, and body proportions that just don't match up. It gets worse when you see stock images of doctors being used to create a false sense of authority, pretending to endorse the product when in reality, there's no verifiable medical backing or clinical trials provided. The reviews, too, are suspiciously over the top, filled with exaggerated claims and technical terms designed to sound convincing, but without any way to verify who actually wrote them. No verified purchases, no traceable feedback, just a lot of marketing fluff. And while microneedle delivery systems are a real thing in the medical world, using them for GLP-1-like results without prescriptions or proper medical oversight is a bold and risky claim. At best, this patch is unproven and overhyped. At worst, it could be misleading vulnerable consumers desperate for weight loss solutions. So while the Croaie patch might catch your attention with its promises and sleek design, the lack of transparency and legitimate proof should make you think twice before spending your money.